she's studying engineering at Cambridge, very difficult course to get in, and she's here today to give you lucky people here who have come for education a quick lesson on engineering. So make sure you listen attentively and gain insights from her on engineering. So a round of applause for Prima as well.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for having me here. So as Hassan mentioned, my name is Prima. I'm studying engineering at the University of Cambridge right now. I'm here to give you guys a little lesson and intro, not just to engineering, but also what underpins engineering, which is the maths and physics. Now, just a quick thumbs. I want fingers like this and that. How do you guys feel about maths? How are you guys about maths? Thumbs up? What about, oh, we've got a couple thumbs down. What about physics? Yeah, do you guys know what physics is? Yeah? A couple mixed thumbs up, thumbs down? Okay. Does anyone know what engineering is? Can anyone define what engineering is? Go on, tell me. It's when you build stuff, absolutely. And what do you think we need to know for us to be able to build stuff? We need to know maths, yeah? Yep. We need to know English, absolutely, yeah. We need to know physics, yeah. History, absolutely. Knowing history is very helpful. Go on. Science, what are your both names? Yes, and what's your name? Lovely. Vadia. Okay. Go on, guys. Pardon? You need to know CAD. Very good. Do you want to explain to everyone what CAD is? Computer-aided design. So CAD is a way that we can design things on the computers, make buildings and products and things on the computer. I think I saw one more hand. Go on. Architecture. So architecture is a bit different to engineering, but there's actually a lot of overlap. So when I was a little kid, I used to actually go around telling everyone that I wanted to be an architect. But architects and engineers focus on slightly different things. Go on. Yeah, absolutely. There's loads of types of engineering. Has anyone come across the term algebra before? Yeah? Maths with letters. It's maths with letters, absolutely. Have you guys had a try of algebra before, boys? You've done algebra before? Okay, what have you done in schools before for algebra? Because we're all going to have a little go at it today. So we're going to make lots of little balls like this, and we're going to learn a little bit about how maths works on the inside. So guys, I want you to take a little bit and rip it, and I want you to scrumple it into a little ball. Do you want help? So you're going to take this, rip it like this with your fingers. Do you want to try? Rip it like this. Oh, I don't know. If you want more, you can make more. And X is going to mark the spot that we're going to find, okay? Right, boys on the side, I don't want you to yell out the answer, because I know you know. Okay? Now is an algebraic equation. Has anyone come across equations like this? Yeah? Okay. So what's the opposite of the plus sign, guys, do you think? So we have a couple answers. Hands up, who thinks the opposite of plus is multiply? Okay, who thinks the opposite of adding is subtraction? Yeah, okay. Who thinks it's multiplication? Who thinks it's division? Okay. Is on one side of their tables, put in 8 foil balls, and then on the other side, put in 2 foil balls. Okay? I want to see 8 little balls on one side and 2 little balls on one side. You got it? So make 8 little balls on one side. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to draw my little balls, okay? Guys, has everyone got this? We've got 8 little ones on this side and 2 little ones on this side. Okay. Now, we said the opposite of addition is what? Can everyone call it out? Subtraction. Can anyone else call it out? Come on, I want to do this all together, guys.
6.
It's not 6. What's that opposite of addition? That's the question. Subtraction. Almost. Yeah? What is it? What happened? Very close, baby. 11 is very close as well. It is, very good. Yeah. So babies, all right guys, come on. What we're going to do is, because it's the opposite, we're going to take away from this side. If we're getting rid of these two, from this side we're also going to get rid of it. So here I've wiped mine away, and here I'm going to wipe mine away. So what is x is equal to 6? Well done. Right, guys, I'm going to give you another equation to see if you can solve it. Right, everyone here, we've got another equation. We've got x plus 3 balls is equal to 5 balls. What do you think I need to do to figure out what x is here? Yeah? We're going to try minus some 3. What were you going to say? Yeah? Do you want to come to the front? And do you want to help me? Come here. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. So what's your name? What's your name, dear? Yeah? Ryan. All right, guys, can we all listen to Ryan, please? Absolutely. So we have to do it from both sides. So do you want to do it, Ryan? Do you want to rub these ones out? And then you have to rub the same amount out over here. Okay? So rub one ball out. And then rub one ball out from this side. And then do it again. Rub one ball out. And rub one ball out from this side. Then do it again from this side. Do it again for that side. So what is x equal to then? How many balls do we have left? 2. Okay. You know what you're going to do? Okay, awesome. Before you say the answer, I want you to write the answer here, x equals. Very good. Well done, baby. Okay. Well, I think you said that you wanted to come, so do you want to come? We're going to do something harder together.
What's your name? What's your name? What do I do?
Okay, so I'm going to give you a bit of a harder question. How old are you?
12.
What's it? 12. So we've taken away 5, but we still have a 2x. Do you know? Oops. Do you know what this means?
6.
Okay, very good. Right, guys, who wanted to come up next? Did you? You came up, didn't you? Shall we have? Come on. Come on, and then you can come next, okay? And then, did you want to come at the back afterwards? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This one was easy. We'll do more ones. I can get you some quadratic ones if you want. We'll do a few more minutes of this. So I want you to actually draw the balls as well. You know what we could do is we can have 2 at each side. Very good. So is this a ball as well? Okay, now I want you to try and solve it. How are we going to solve it? How did everyone else do it? We're going to rub them? Yeah, go for it. So how many did you rub out? You rubbed 4 out, because we had here. So I want you to just rub 1 circle and 1 circle. Yeah? Do you want to rub it? Very close. Almost, almost, almost. Okay, we'll just try one more time. Okay, so I want you to rub just 1, baby. And just 1 here. And I want you to rub just 1 here. And I want you to rub just 1 here. And I want you to rub just 1 here. And just 1 here. Okay, now how many balls do you have left?
5.
Yeah. So I think we rubbed an extra one because there should be 6, and then we'd get this. Yeah, do you want to have another go afterwards? What we'll do is we'll get another whiteboard pen and we can do 2 at once because everyone seems very keen. You wanted to come as well? Okay, you're definitely coming next because you wanted to go well. We can have a little chat about maths and physics and engineering whilst we do this. So do you guys want to hear a funny story? So you know at the start when I asked everyone to put their fingers like this about how you feel about maths, I saw most of you guys had your fingers like this, which means you guys are already actually better at maths than I was at your age. because when I was younger, I actually was really, really scared of maths, and I thought maths was really, really difficult. And because of that, I was nervous about pursuing maths and physics, but I thought it was just so interesting. And do you know what was missing? What made me struggle? Oh my God, well done. There you go, we've got 2 perfect solutions, 10 and 6. Good job. Okay. Yeah, can I borrow the pen, please? Thank you. Right. Okay. So I'll give you both. Okay. How old are you boys? 8. 8? Okay. So first thing, I've drawn a line. On this side, I want you to draw this many balls. On this side, I want you to draw this many. This many and this many. Is that okay? Okay, go for it, guys.
To make a bigger, I think.
Yeah.
Those are dots. Make your board like this, look. Like a board. Check again. How many is it? Alright. Rub that. So right here again.
Yeah?
Good.
Very good. Well done, boys.
Well done. So that goes there. So look, 5 plus 7 equals 12. That's it. Well done.
All right. How do you guys feel about that? You guys want to come again? Well, over there at the back, we said... Yeah, you're going to be going to Oxford? You want to come again? Of course you can. Okay, how old are you, dear?
I'm 13.
13. So do you want a harder question?
Yeah.
What type of stuff do you solve in school?
Like algebra.
Algebra?
But like the order.
So have you done quadratics before? No quadratics. Have you done something? Have you done squares? Okay. Have you done something like...
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm actually going to change it. Okay, we'll do this one. Very, very good. Good job. Do you want a harder one just before you go? Do you want something harder than this?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you've never done square numbers before?
Square numbers, yeah.
You've done square numbers?
Square numbers.
So we're going to do that then.
Yeah, I've done this.
Yeah? Solve this.
I think I haven't done this.
Yeah?
I haven't done this.
Boys on the side, does anyone know how to solve this one? What do you think the answer is? What is it? Very good. Do you know how do you want to explain how we got to 4? Yep. Do you want to come up? Okay, so let's... Shall we take it slow, one step at a time? So how did you get 32 first? What did you do? Take away 8. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the next equation each time, okay? So now you have 2x squared equals 32. So we've taken away 8. What are we going to do next? We're going to divide by 2. So we've got just... What's 32 divided by 2? 16. Do you know how we solve for x? Yeah. Absolutely. Good job. Just write the last little bit. X equals. Well, we don't need the square root bit because the square root of 16, so you can actually put it up here. So we're going to square root both of them, and we're going to get x equals 4. Is that okay? Good job. You haven't done it yet? Yeah, you did it once. Okay. Okay, well we can all... Hassan, what do you suggest? Do I just go around?
Yeah.
Let's go around. Let's start from this side and we'll go around, I promise, okay? Come on, both of you. Come on up. 2, 1, go. Go on. Quick, girls. Well, you have to write x equals. We need to find out what x is.
Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, you guys have to get it right before you say your final answers. You guys, if you want to have one more go, you can.
Okay, so thank you very much to Prima who came all the way from London.
You did it? You can rub it?
Just tell me.
Yeah, go on. Yeah? You draw 4 here and 11. Okay, cool. Guys, thank you so much for having me, and thank you so much to Hassan and Joshua who organized this. I'm really excited to see where you guys go on in the future. Right, can I just have hands? Who here feels better about algebra now? Yeah? Can we have fingers? Who feels better about algebra now? Okay, awesome. Right, I think that's it.